Hi, I'm Marianne Benetti, and I'm going to tell you the secret of having Nandina, or heavenly bamboo, in your garden. So this is a very common plant. It's called Nandina. The common name is heavenly bamboo. It is not a true bamboo. It does not spread. It's drought resistant. It adjusts to sun and shade. What everybody forgets is the wonderful gift of the Nandina berries. So this is what happens in the fall. It sends up this spike of berries, and the time of year to prune these as soon as the berries are this bright orange color. And pruning it does two things. You just cut down. I would just follow the stem. I cut down, so I tidy up the shrub. So I get this nice big branch, right? Well, I'm going to pull off these low ones with this nice new growth. Put it in one hand. Shorten this. And what I'm doing, I'm harvesting the beautiful orange berries, because the gift of Nandina is you collect them. Now these have been dried. These have been in this vase for months and months with no water. I simply add more Nandina, and you have great fall color. You can use this on the Thanksgiving table. You can use it at Halloween time. And it's just very attractive berries with bright color. So get out there and prune off the berries of your heavenly bamboo or your Nandina, so you don't forget about the gift of the Nandina. This has been Marianne Benetti. Easy answers for great gardens.